In this video, I'll show you how you can download SkyFactory in Minecraft. Now, what you want to do is you want to head over to curseforge.com and press Get CurseForge app. In here, you want to download standalone. We don't need the overwolf. And simply open the installer and press install. Now, once you have it downloaded, it's going to look something like this. And in here, you want to press on the plus and add the Minecraft. You can scan your computer. The Minecraft should be right here that you can click on, or you can manually add it if you don't see it. Now, once it's installed, you want to make sure that you have Minecraft on your PC that you're logged into. And then you can simply close Minecraft down and keep the CurseForge open. Then what you want to do is come in here, search for SkyFactory, enter, and then you can simply download it by pressing install. Now when you press install, it's going to download real quick, and then you'll have a play button. And when you press play, it's simply going to open up the SkyFactory and you can play it just like that. Now it's really simple and really easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.